guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara mini bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, cardboard paper or pattern paper, bridal satin, bias tape, tape roll, scissors. This is a strong interfacing and we'll be using line. On your cardboard paper you measure 11.5 inches long and 8 inches width, and then fold into 2 equal parts. When that is done, from this opening measure 5 inches. We are going to connect that 5 inches back to this edge. Okay. So when that is done, we're going to cut it off. So this would be the pattern for our bag. You need to fold your Ankara fabric into two this way. You're going to put your pattern paper on it. I want us to cut 2 of these from the Ankara fabric, and we are also going to cut 2 of these from the bridal satin. So you just place it and you're going to trace it and you cut it out. I've already cut out the Ankara fabric. I have 2 of this. I'm also going to cut out 2 of this as well. We are going to iron a strong interfacing on it, on this too. We are also going to iron a strong interfacing. I have iron interfacing on the Ankara fabric, iron interfacing on the bridal satin as well, and I use the pattern to cut out 4 linings. So the next thing you want to do is to pick one Ankara fabric with one bridal satin. You're going to stitch, and you're also going to stitch. After stitching, you're going to join both of them together. You're also going to join this together. Then you're going to join the lining as well. I am done joining the fabrics together. We are going to turn inside out. After turning the bag inside out, then you're going to pick your line that you have stitched together. The wrong side, you're going to fix it inside the bag so that you can have the right side facing up. Then you're going to stitch the corners that will stitch with the corner of the Ankara fabric should be equal. Then you're going to stitch round the bag. After stitching the lining together with the fabric, you are now going to turn your bag inside out. After turning your bag inside there, you are going to fold from one edge to another this way. Then you're going to mark 1.2, 1.2. You're going to stitch on that line. I'm going to do the same for the four corner of the bag. 1.2. Going to stitch. Going to stitch. After stitching, I'm going to fold it, open it, and fold it to the edge of the bag. And I'm going to stitch. I'm going to do the same. After stitching, you're going to turn your bag inside out. And when that is done, you're going to use your bias tape to cover up this part. I'm going to stitch bias tape round, and when you have done that, you're going to fold it in and you also stitch it. After stitching the mouth of the bag with bias tape, you can see how neat it is. So the next thing we want to do now is to attach handle of the bag. For the handle of the bag, this is the bridal satin, and I've already ironed interfacing on it, and I stitched one part. The measurement is 13 inches by 1 inch. We're going to fix the handle on the Ankara part. Fold it down a bit. I'm going to stitch like a four corner. I'm also going to fold it down a bit. I'm going to stitch this here. I'm going to stitch. We are also going to stitch this other handle on this part of the bag, just this way. After stitching the handle of the bag, this is what it looks like. We are basically done with this bag. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment your opinion about this bag in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.